message will Ramakrishna, this is the next level part of the language part. So one person told that assume that basically there are 1 lakh types of human souls only basically exist in this world, and they are controlling this 700 crore population basically. Their energy. So here one person told that that is possible here basically. So here basically let's take this also example basically. The another example. The main human souls is 1 lakh. The city basically is created. Let's take basically one practical example. Mumbai basically. In Mumbai basically who are the rich people basically? That are Reliance Group, Airtel Group, Tata Groups, Adani Groups, Singhania Group, then the many other groups are basically there. Hiranandani Group. So these groups are controlling Mumbai basically. If anything happens to this group, that means Mumbai will get in trouble basically. So one of the person told that the system is also basically created like this only basically. System is also basically created like this only. See basically the system how it's created. Then one of the person told that yes, yeah basically. That means one of the person told that human souls also basically might be like this basically. Because one human soul is equal to one city creation, and one city costs 95 lakh crore basically. One city costs 95 lakh crore basically. So it's a huge amount basically. So it's like that basically. So one of the person told that it might be possible the creation might be done like this, but it might not be like this also. So one person told that one city equal to 95 lakh crore. One city from one city basically around 1 crore, 2 crore basically human souls might be getting created. So one of the person told that like this also basically things might be getting controlled basically. So next please.